Hi, I'm Andy McRobbie from Buro Seating. I'm joined today by Andrew Wilson. Andrew is a practicing osteopath and ergonomist, and he's also a published author on both of these topics. Andrew, one of the key questions, and probably one of the most asked of questions of myself, is would I recommend arms on on-office chair or not? Can you outline your view on that for me, please?
Thank you. That's an interesting question. Chair arms used to get a very bad rap. They used to be big, sticky out, and get in the way of accessing your office desk, particularly when people used corner desks. And they used to be non-adjustable. That's changed now. Chair arms can be very useful if you need support for some of your tasks, particularly for mousing, where you can take the weight off that shoulder and neck while you're working. But a chair arm should always be adjustable. It should be adjustable for height, depth, width, so you can set it up to suit you and the task you're doing. They can also be very useful if you've got hip and knee issues and you need a little help getting on and off your chair.
Thanks, Andrew. Please stay tuned for our next ErgoTalks update.